There are many stories about the replacement of exceptionally credentialed Black educators by less qualified, less credentialed, or uncredentialed whites. One that really sticks with me is a case that Thurgood Marshall, when I say case, I don't mean legal case. This was a circumstance that he wrote about. A South Georgia teacher who had done his undergraduate work at Fort Valley State, now University, and then earned a master's degree at Columbia University. This man was the principal teacher of a dirt floor school in southern Georgia. And he has about 14 or 16 students in this school. His school is before it's closed, he's fired, this gentleman with the undergraduate degree from Fort Valley State College, then now University, and HBCU, and Columbia University in New York City, is replaced in this interim period before his school closure by a white male who's a milkman. Now, Marshall talks about this as such an egregious circumstance, but it wasn't the only circumstance. You know, the primary evidentiary base for my book is a series of U.S. Senate hearings that occurred in 1971 about the displacement of Black principals and teachers. And it begins with the case of Dr. Betty Smith, who at the time was one of only 3 educators in the state of Georgia, not 3 Black educators, 3 educators in the state of Georgia to hold a doctoral degree. Her degree is from New York University. She has exceptional credentials, had served well for about 15 years, and then she's fired and replaced by a white male with a master's degree. And these firings did not have any rationale behind them. In almost every case that's cited in the Senate hearings and in court cases where Black educators were seeking some redress to this wrong, these educators had been lauded not only by their colleagues within their segregated all-Black schools, but by the white superintendents who also oversaw segregated all-white and segregated all-Black schools.